This is our Cadillac 2260G lathe. Runs real nice. It does have a collet closer that comes with it. Has a nice 3-jaw chuck. Quick change tool post. Let's take a look. We're gonna go ahead and fire it up. It's in low gear right now. I'm going to show you that the brake works real good. Put it in high gear. I'm going to show you the feeds and speeds. Cross feed. There's going away. There's our cross feed. See right here is the threading. It's moving on the thread. Let's go ahead. Here's the high gear. I'm going to show you that's threading. It's going a little bit faster now. Let's show you. Move it up in the high gear. Runs really good. Come take a look.